Let's see if you actually know this one. Which term best describes a characteristic shared by all members of a group? Is it shared primitive character, shared derived character, outcome comparison, in-group comparison? So, first let's start with C, outgroup comparison. This is not a type of characteristic. It's a method scientists use. Basically, you compare your main group, okay, to an outside group to figure out which traits are older versus newer. So C cannot be right. Now D, in-group comparison. Again, that's just comparing, it's in the name, comparing organisms within the group you're studying. That's also not a type of characteristic itself. So now we're stuck between A and B. And this is where people freak out because both sound correct. Okay, a shared primitive character is a trait inherited from a common ancestor, meaning the trait existed before the newer evolutionary split happened. Now a shared derived character is newer. It evolved later and helps define a specific clade. That trait is unique to a more specific subgroup. So read the question carefully again, okay? Which term best describes a characteristic shared by all members of a group? The key word is all. That points to an older ancestral trait shared broadly across the entire group, which means the correct answer is A, shared primitive character. The reason this question destroys students is because people memorize vocabulary without thinking about evolutionary timelines. Primitive, let's be clear, primitive means older ancestral trait, okay? Derived means newer specialized trait. Once you think about when the trait appeared, these questions become way easier. If this helped, I want you to share it with someone. I want you to like it. I want you to comment. And please, please, please subscribe. It means everything. Thanks, guys.